Hi, everybody, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis. It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing the latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we would be bringing you all the latest analysis on all your favorite cryptos. And today we would be giving you an update on YFI versus the USDT. We are on the daily time frame, and as you can see right down here, we have been seeing that YFI has been respecting all our support and resistance levels. And as you can see, YFI, right, every single time, right, we saw a push to the upside, we saw a push to the upside, right, even to our resistance zone. And when we saw a push to the downside, we saw a push even to our support zone. As you can see, currently we saw a push to the upside, right down, even into our resistance zone. And as you can see, we saw a push to the upside. So currently, as you can see, what are we expecting for YFI? We are expecting one last push even to the downside, even to the $5,300 level, which will be the last fake out even for the price of YFI. So that is what we're expecting for the price of YFI. And I'll be giving you more reasons why we should be expecting one last even fake out for the price of YFI before we see another huge push even to the upside, even for YFI. Right. And one of those reasons is, as you can see right down here on my screen, is what I call the altcoin doctor's indicator. And what the altcoin doctor's indicator does is that it helps us, shows us when price is bullish and when price is bearish. And every time the indicator turns green, price was bullish. And as you can see, every time we turned red, we were bearish. Every time we turned green, we were bullish. And every time we turned red, we were bearish. So just using our indicator alone, right, you would have gotten exactly right down where we flipped bearish at the 8,320 level. And as you can see, we have been pushing down ever since, right? And as you can see, the price of YFI has been pushing down, and we are currently at the $6,000 level. Also, as you can see, our altcoin doctor's indicator is still bearish, indicating we have probably one last push even to our support levels at the 5,303 level, right? So we could see one last huge fake out even to the downside to cause you to sell your YFI, right? But this will be the last huge fake out before we could see a very huge push even to the upside in the medium to long term. So that's what we're expecting for the price of YFI in the medium to long term. One last push even to the downside, then we could see another huge push even to the upside in the medium to long term. Also, if we look at our momentum right here, as you can see, we are seeing some kind of bearish cross right down here. So as you can see, the last time we saw this bearish cross right here, we saw a huge push to the downside. The same thing right here, we saw another push to the downside, and we could see another one happening currently here. We're expecting, in our last video, we were expecting some sort of consolidation before we see one last push even to the downside, and we can see exactly the same thing happening here. We saw the huge consolidation, one last push even to the upside, and then a huge push even to the downside. So that is what we were expecting even for the price of YFI. One last fake out even to the downside, where we could see the price drive down to the $5,300 level before we see a huge bounce even to the all-time highs even for YFI in the medium to long term. So that's what we're expecting. If you like the channel and you love the analysis, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.